Sean McCutcheon's Air Conditioning and Heating offers commercial air conditioning installation, repair, and maintenance throughout Southwest Florida. We pride ourselves on having the experience and knowledge to handle any commercial HVAC application, regardless of size. From a small retail business to a large department store, you can count on the experts at Sean McCutcheon's Air Conditioning and Heating to provide you with the service and quality you deserve. Our NATE certified technicians are continually trained in the latest industry technology. We take pride in the fact that we are the leading HVAC company in Southwest Florida, and we are constantly raising the bar for excellence and customer satisfaction. Many HVAC companies only focus on the easy jobs where they can make the most money with the least amount of effort. Sean McCutcheon's Air Conditioning and Heating has a reputation for being able to solve problematic installs and correct improperly executed jobs. It is for this reason that we have been contracted to work on many of the highest profile and challenging jobs in Southwest Florida. We are always up for a challenge. Whether your system is in need of repair, maintenance, or replacement, we can help you choose the right product for your needs. We can offer many options, and we can help you choose the best system. New, energy-efficient systems can deliver significant energy savings. Over the past 20 years, new technology has revolutionized the industry with thermostats, compressors, and fans that are more efficient than we ever thought possible. If your unit is over 20 years old, you're spending more on energy than you need to. Visit www.keepingsarasotacool.com or call us at 941-921-7208 and ask us how you can save money on your energy bills. Sean McCutcheon's Air Conditioning and Heating Incorporated. The quality and service you deserve.